Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Tesla stock on Robinhood. First, you'll need to open a Robinhood brokerage account and complete the quick verification process. Once your account is set up, you can easily fund it by linking your bank account or a debit card. After funding, simply search for Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, within the Robinhood app. Then, you can decide how many shares or even fractional shares you'd like to purchase, making investing accessible for any budget. When placing your order, you have a couple of options. A market order will execute immediately at the current best available price, which is great for quick trades. Alternatively, a limit order lets you specify a maximum price you're willing to pay for Tesla stock or a minimum price if you're selling. This gives you more control over your entry or exit point. Always take a moment to review all your order details before hitting that submit button to ensure everything is correct. One fantastic feature on Robinhood is the ability to buy fractional shares of Tesla. This means you don't need to buy a full share. You can invest with as little as $1, making it super accessible. This allows you to get started with a smaller budget and still own a piece of a company like Tesla. Remember, it's also wise to consider diversifying your portfolio. Spreading your investments across different companies and sectors can help reduce overall risk and build a more robust financial future. After purchasing your Tesla stock, it's important to monitor your investment. Regularly check your Robinhood portfolio to see how your shares are performing. Staying informed about Tesla's news, earnings reports, and broader market trends can help you make educated decisions. You might also want to set up price alerts within the app to get notifications about significant stock movements. Periodically rebalancing your portfolio ensures it continues to align with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.